Ever rummaged through your couch cushions and unearthed a forgotten check? Maybe you finally snagged that reimbursement from your neighbor for their, borrowing your lawnmower last summer. A windfall, for sure, but with the rise of online banking, depositing that check can feel like navigating a financial labyrinth. Fear not, fellow finders. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Found mobile deposits, specifically their check deposit limits. Found boasts a sleek app and a reputation for being mobile first, so ditch the bank branch and get ready to unlock the secrets of depositing on the go. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. Why Found? In today's financial landscape, new challenger banks are popping up like metaphorical dandelions. So what makes Found stand out? Well, their focus on building a smarter, more automated banking experience has resonated with a generation that prioritizes convenience. Plus, with features like Pockets that allow you to categorize your spending and automatically set savings goals, Found goes beyond just being a place to store your cash. It's your financial cheerleader, holding your hand, virtually of course, as you navigate your financial journey. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get down to brass tacks. Can you deposit checks with Found? Absolutely. Found offers mobile check deposit, eliminating the need to hunt down a physical branch. But, as with any good treasure hunt, there's a hidden map, and that map translates to deposit limits. Now, buckle up because here's where things get interesting. Found operates with two different deposit limits, daily and monthly. The daily limit applies specifically to direct deposits, wire transfers, and those handy transfers from payment apps like Venmo or Cash App. The good news? There are no daily limits for these deposit methods with Found. That means you can rain down a money meteor shower and Found will happily welcome it into your account. Within reason? Of course, we're not talking laundering here. However, the monthly limit applies specifically to cash deposits. While Found doesn't currently offer mobile cash deposits, you can leverage their network of over 79,000 retail locations to turn your physical bills into digital riches. The catch? There's a cumulative monthly limit of $4,000 for cash deposits. Now let's talk checks. Here's the golden nugget you've all been waiting for. Found allows you to deposit checks mobile, but with a weekly limit of $3,000. That means you can't dump your entire shoebox full of forgotten checks at once. But hey, $3,000 a week is a pretty healthy chunk of change, especially for those unexpected finds. Important side note, Found categorizes check deposits as either income or funding. While both contribute to your weekly limit, income deposits are treated differently when it comes to availability. Found may hold onto income deposits for a few extra days for verification purposes. So, there you have it. The mystery of Found's mobile deposit limits is cracked. Remember, these limits are in place to protect both you and Found from any potential shenanigans. And, hey, let's be honest, who wants to deposit a giant stack of checks anyway? It's time to embrace the digital age and get your finances in order, one mobile deposit at a time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy finding and depositing.